Welcome to Android Lab. Today I'm going to demonstrate my lab experiment number 2, that is student information system. Herein we have to use edit text with edit text button, wherein I will type the details of the student and enter it and display it using intent. So this is my app, as you can see. So here if I've given a number, name SS, ID 25, mobile number, and then submit. So using intent I can see that all these details have been entered. So this is what I had to make. So here is the first XML code, wherein I have used text view to display the details, and two edit text wherein I have to enter the three edit text wherein I have to enter the ID, name, and the number of the user, and then the button where I'll submit it, and I've given different IDs for each and every component of the XML file. Now when we go to the main Java code, herein we can see I have created the objects of edit text and button, and then on create method I have first typecasted it into edit text and finding the following edit text field using find view by ID and whatever ID I have mentioned. Same for edit text 2, 3 and button, and then typecasting it. Then I am doing an anonymous call using set on text listener using the button object, and I am checking if the text field is filled. If it is empty, I am getting the text, and then using the intent, because I have to pass the data from first activity to another activity, I have to use intent. Herein I am using new intent. Here I am creating the object intent. In the first argument I am passing the current application context, and the second dot class, which is my second file where I have to display it. Then I am using three strings to store the data of three edit text. So I am getting the text and converting it to string and storing it to the three different variables of different edit text, number, ID, name, and number. Then I am using intent, I am putting the name, and then I am defining the S1, S2, S3, and then I am starting the intent using start activity intent, and I am also using toast for a longer period of time, and for asking user to enter a data. So as you can see in the second Java second file where intent, I am able to display my content three variables into the three text views, and as you can see get string using three variables, and then I am using set text, whatever value is stored into three string variables which I have created in the previous file. I am displaying it into the text view object which I created using text view, and this is my activity second XML simple text view which I have defined, wherein I am displaying the three data. So this was my lab experiment number 2, where the output will have the three text views and all the details which is entered in here. Thanks for watching.